What's up, YouTube? It's Joel. Stay tuned because we're going to be giving the names of the 5 winners who won in the last giveaway, each winning $100 of cold hard cash for our channel, hitting 50,000 subscribers, and also find out what to do for the next giveaway of True Life Investing, giving away another $500. But we've got your 4 stimulus check update along with the $2 trillion stimulus bills update. So Chuck Schumer is ready to push things forward quickly and soon for the huge $1 trillion stimulus bills, because in August they're actually scheduled to go to recess, aka vacation, but they may forego that so that they can pass these huge stimulus bills because it's so good for the American people, and also people are waiting for them to pass that 4th stimulus check. But we also have Bernie Sanders, who wants his $6 trillion reconciliation bill to pass and has said that he is going to oppose any bill that is not at least $3 trillion. We also have all the info for the new stimulus checks for the child tax credits coming this week, and we have more info on the new American Family Stimulus Bill that would provide more support for our seniors, plus those on SSI, SSDI, and Social Security. This is your Stimulus and Economic News Update, and I hope you're having a great day. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. You're so awesome for all the likes, the comments, and supporting this channel to where it's getting to, and we wouldn't be here without you. But please, if anyone asks you for personal info or to text them or contact them on WhatsApp, please don't do it. It is fake. They're just scam artists trying to steal your money. So Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said he wants his chamber to vote on pivotal budget and infrastructure legislation before lawmakers break for their August recess. And he warned he may delay that summer break to allow more time for work on President Joe Biden's top domestic goals. Now, we're talking about that huge $6 trillion stimulus bills that Democrats say would push the U.S. into the future and bring much needed solutions to the American people. This would include both the infrastructure bill and the American Families Bill, and I just want to say, when it comes to them working over, I think it's needed. There are too many people that need help, and there's too much that needs to be done right now while we are still in recovery mode from this pandemic. But Schumer also said, please be advised that time is of the essence and we have a lot of work to do. Senators should be prepared for the possibility of working long nights, weekends, and remaining in Washington into the previously scheduled August state work period. All I have to say is good job, Schumer. That's what a leader's supposed to do. Whatever it takes to get the job done, and is putting in the time to make sure the American people are taken care of. The first objective for Schumer and the Democrats is for Congress to approve the budget reconciliation bill. Then they would be able to get everything they're wanting to get done without the Republicans actually getting in the way of their agenda. Now, the big spending bill that we're talking about would include healthcare, family, climate, and Social Security reform. It would be partially paid for with tax boosts on the wealthy and corporations, as well as expected savings from allowing Medicare to negotiate prescription drug prices. The Speaker of the House, Nancy Pelosi, said her chamber won't consider the bipartisan infrastructure measure until Democrats have written their separate bill for the families plan, the climate, and other programs. So there is so much that they are looking to do, including a 4th stimulus check, which is a top priority for the guy who is actually in charge. Bernie Sanders, who is the chair of the Senate Budget Committee, is pushing for the total $6 trillion in spending. He wants to expand Medicare, bring Social Security reform, and yes, a 4th stimulus check. His focus is big time on getting as much as possible to American families and helping low-income individuals. The 4th stimulus check he wants to bring is $2,000 for adults and $1,000 stimulus check for our kids. He said, our job right now is to continue working on a major bill which addresses the crisis of working families and, by the way, has the wealthy and the powerful large corporations start paying their fair share of taxes. Besides that, the Biden administration's proposals for expanded tax credits for lower and middle income families, He wants to do universal pre-kindergarten, more healthcare premium subsidies for Obamacare, and more funding for public housing and infrastructure. Sanders also wants more for climate change, electric buses, and car improvements in the power grid and residential solar technologies. We're talking about maybe people getting some Teslas, maybe some electric Ford Mustangs, but a lot of infrastructure pertaining to clean energy, pertaining a lot of subsidies for especially electric cars. But a huge part of these bills is going to be the American Families Plan. The White House says the American Families Plan will help lift rural Americans out of poverty. Along with that, it's going to bring a lot of help to our seniors, especially those on SSI, SSDI, and Social Security, with Medicare expansion and also a huge increase to their monthly payouts, including an automatic $200 increase to their monthly checks, as well as an automatic boost for everyone that is below the federal poverty line. They want to bring everyone up to at least 125% of that. So right now, the average payout is $794. This would actually take them to an average monthly payout of $1,341 per month, along with more affordable health care and affordable housing. So big wins for the seniors. Bernie Sanders also indicated that he would oppose a Democratic-only spending bill if its price tag didn't top at least $3 trillion, brushing anything that was lower than that as too meager. With being the chair of the Senate Budget Committee, he is ready to spend and spend big. So if there's anything that is coming to Americans, it's going to be a lot of stimulus coming from this guy. So let me know what you are looking for in these next stimulus bills in the comments section, and we'll talk about it from there. So we actually got big money that is about to hit the bank accounts of tons of American parents. We're referring to the stimulus checks for the advanced child tax credits. So millions of families will start to receive monthly payments from the IRS on July 15th. This is all coming from the American Rescue Plan that was passed earlier this year. Biden's coronavirus relief law increased the maximum amount of the child tax credit for 2021 from $2,000 for children under 17 to $3,600 for children under 6 and $3,000 for children between the ages of 6 and 17. Now, married couples with income of up to $150,000 and single parents who use the head of household filing status with income of up to $112,500, and for singles with income up to $75,000 are eligible for the full increased credit amounts. Now, the IRS said that they will start sending out the monthly payments and will make payments on or near the 15th of each month through the end of this year. The monthly payments will be as much as $300 for children under 6 and $250 for older children. Parents will receive the other half as a full lump sum in April of 2022 of either $1,500 per child or $1,800 per child, depending upon their age. But the Biden administration has said that about 39 million households, covering almost 90% of children in the United States, will receive monthly payments automatically. Now, if you need to make any changes to your information in the IRS system or to update it because you had a baby or you got a new job or your income lowered, you can go to the link down in the description under the words monthly child stimulus payments. This will take you to a page with all the links to do whatever you need to make sure that you get all the stimulus payments that's owed to you. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section and I'll help in any way I can, and let me know your thoughts on these new stimulus payments for the kids in the comment section. So on to our winners for the $500 giveaway. Thank you so much everybody for supporting. We reached over 50,000 subscribers. It's so mind-blowing and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. But each winner will receive $100, and I just want to say that we're going to keep going. We're going to keep doing giveaways, so stay tuned because this is not just stopping here. This is going to be a huge part of this channel and me giving back to y'all for supporting the channel and its growth. So the winners are Lori Castro, Nolan Alders, Melody Myers, Marcos Diaz, and Charlene Haggerty. Thank you so much for supporting, for commenting, for liking, and being subscribed to the channel. Now, I'll reach out to you, so please comment down in the comment section on this video. But to enter in for our next giveaway, which we will do whenever we reach 55,000 subscribers, all you have to do is these 3 simple things. Be subscribed to the channel, smash that like button for this video, and leave a comment down below in the comment section about one of the topics that we talked about. I can't wait for us to hit this other new goal so we can give out some more cold hard cash. But I do want to say, if you're ready to start investing and growing your money so that you can reach financial freedom for yourself and those around you, then why don't you start by getting 2 free stocks with Webull worth up to $1,850, and you can also sign up with Robinhood and get 2 free stocks with them worth up to $500. But this is free money, these are easy to use platforms, and they get you started on building wealth. Those links are down in the description. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section and I'll answer them. But I personally invest in the S&P 500. I've made quite a bit of money from that, and I would love for you to do the same so that you can start winning with your finances. But don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you and learn how to build some wealth. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.